Hey guys, Doc here with Dr. Auto Spa. We just finished wrapping up a beautiful 2022 Harley Davidson Triglide, and boy, it turned out great. Look at the color, look how it just pops. Now, what we ended up doing was machine polish, got all the small factory blemishes out, and then we coated it with the ceramic coating. Why do we want to do that? Well, you want to enjoy more ride time with your bike, right? Less cleaning time. I mean, a big boy like this, it could easily take you all Saturday just to detail it up. Well, not anymore. Now that we've got the ceramic coating on it, he's going to enjoy more riding and less cleaning time. Matter of fact, we've got a quick detail spray he can spray on it, just kind of wipe it down when it needs it. You ever seen those commercials where it's a non-stick cooking pan? Nothing sticks to it? Well, that's the same concept what happens with the ceramic coating. So we also put paint protection film on the fenders right here. They're real prone to getting rock chips, sometimes scratches, the splash up right there. So that paint protection film, it's clear and glossy, but it will protect these fenders from getting rock chips. So we're really excited about that. Hope you enjoyed this video. If we can do anything for you, please look us up, shoot us an email. We'll be happy to reach back out. You guys have an awesome day. Until next time.